Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani and I make videos about locks and lifestyle. Since I started my locks 2 years ago in 2021, I like to make a lock update every month. And a lock update is basically where I tell y'all what's going on with my hair, how I'm feeling about my hair, and how I'm navigating my lock journey. And my lock journey videos have gotten pretty popular, and I know that that's how some of you even found my channel, and I'm so grateful for that. The other day, I reached 25 months in my lock journey, so I made a 25-month lock journey update video, and it's been performing really well, and I'm glad that everyone is liking it. But when I was rewatching it back, all I could think was this is so redundant, and I've said most of these things in previous months. Like with anything in life, once you start something, it seems very exciting and it's new and you have all of these things to say, but as time goes on, it starts to become the same. And that's how I kind of feel with my lock journey. Like at first it was like, since I had 2-strand twist, it was like, oh, I'm starting to see budding. They're starting to grow a little bit. I'm dyeing my locks. I'm trying new styles. And it was very exciting. And I had something new to say every month because it was a new thing for me. But at the point where I've been locked for 2 years, there's only so many times that my locks can change. Like they're changing every day, of course. But the things that I'm saying in the updates, it's just not worth me making a video about it just for the sake of making a lock update. And even when I make the video, sometimes I'm like, are they gonna feel like this girl keeps saying the same thing? And y'all probably don't feel like that. You know, we're all our worst critics. But I really just don't like thinking that my videos are becoming redundant, and that's how I'm feeling. I'm not putting oil on my locks anymore, so I keep talking about that. I talk about spraying my hair. I talk about experiencing puffy roots. It's really only so many things that I can update y'all on, and things are really starting to look the same in my lock journey. The most that I can give y'all now is my hair is getting longer, which is expected when your locks start to grow, or rather when your locks start to mature and you start to mature on this journey. And I wanted to keep going, but it honestly just doesn't seem like it's in alignment anymore. So I'm gonna be shifting from mainly making lock update videos to really talking about locks. And I do have some videos just talking about locks, do's and don'ts, and pros and cons and stuff. I want to make more of those videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. So unless something drastic happens with my locks, I feel like that 25-month lock update video is gonna be the last one. If you're new to your lock journey, I've literally been documenting my lock journey since day 5. So there is 2 years worth of lock journey updates and just content that you can binge and kind of gain insight for your own lock journey. But other than that, y'all give me topics to talk about because I really want to dive deep into locks and just some questions that y'all may have. I'm excited to see where this channel goes aside from lock journey updates and where I can really take it. Thank you all for watching this video until the end. That was all I had to say. I just wanted to come on here and be dramatic and give my little announcement for that. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed so you can see the lock journey, I was about to say lock journey updates, the lock content that I'm going to be putting out in the future. Everything that you need is going to be in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.